That's not real good there. I'll just tie that on to there. Yeah, don't put that on.
Pardon? Oh yeah, we got flames. Just got to do a bit of trolling here, as we're not catching much with bait. Yeah. Take it away! Woo! Then who? Oh yeah. Yeah, it does. Woo! We're flying! Oh my god! Look at it! Yeah, I reckon fish up in there, around the structure and stuff. There's a creek up in there. Yes, this is just... Look, you can see the reflection in the water. Wow. Nice puffer fish here. First fish of the day. I know it's not much, but it's still fish. It's gone quite well here, even though the puffer. We haven't caught anything the whole day, so it's good to get something. Fish, we got the technique for them now. It's just scooping them up with the net. So it's pretty good. Yeah. Just, we'd like to try and catch something different, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
Look how fat they are.
Yeah, they are fat. Into the crab pot now, so let's hope that we get lucky.
heavier.
Yep. Just gonna hope.
It does feel heavier.
Oh yeah!
Mud crab.
Big muddy.
Big mud crab.
Okay. I'll get it. I'll get under. I'll get under. Male. It's a male.
It's male. It's legal.
This crab's a pretty big hassle to get out.
He's feisty.
Yeah. Don't want to get bitten. Watch the fingers. Yeah. This thing's gonna taste good tonight. Look at the size of the nippers on him.
Good meat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi guys, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications to make sure that you never miss a video. And also follow us on Fishbrain. Xavier's is Xavier W, mine is Hudgy Boys YT, and Max's is Max Hudgton. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more videos.